Mangoes, the king of fruits, golden globes of sunshine, juicy, sweet, a taste of the tropics. In Southeast Asia, mangoes are more than just a fruit, they're a way of life. From street vendors to fancy restaurants, mangoes are everywhere, and one dish stands out: mango salad. Sweet, sour, salty, and spicy all at once, refreshing and satisfying. Today we're on a delicious mission: Cambodian versus Thai, a head-to-head comparison. We'll explore the ingredients and the preparation secrets, and of course the taste test. We'll break down the flavors. This isn't just about picking a winner, it's about celebrating two amazing cultures. Stay tuned to find out. Let's start our journey in Cambodia, the land of ancient temples and warm smiles. Cambodian cuisine is all about balance. It's a harmonious blend of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. And their mango salad, oh boy, it embodies this perfectly. It's not just a side dish here, it's a staple, a celebration of fresh local ingredients. Imagine walking through a Cambodian market. The air is thick with the scent of ripe mangoes. Women with friendly faces are expertly slicing green mangoes. Their hands move with precision, creating thin, delicate strips. These green mangoes are the key. They provide a tart, crunchy contrast to the other ingredients. Now, let's talk about the magic that happens when these ingredients come together. The green mangoes are the stars, no doubt, but the supporting cast is equally important. Think toasted peanuts, crunchy, salty, and full of flavor. They add a delightful texture and nutty aroma. Then comes the dressing. This is where the Cambodian mango salad truly shines. Fish sauce, palm sugar, lime juice, and chilies are blended together. The result? An explosion of flavors. The salty fish sauce, the sweetness of palm sugar, the tang of lime, and the heat of chilies. It's a party in your mouth. But Cambodian mango salad is more than just a combination of ingredients. It's a story passed down through generations. Mothers teaching daughters the art of balancing flavors. Grandmothers sharing their secret ingredient, a pinch of love, perhaps. It's a dish that brings people together. Whether it's a family gathering, a religious celebration, or a simple meal with friends, Cambodian mango salad is always there. It's a reminder of home, of tradition, of the simple pleasures in life. It's a legacy on a plate, a delicious legacy. Now let's hop over to Thailand, the land of smiles. Thai cuisine is famous for its bold flavors. It's a symphony of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. And their mango salad, known as Som Tum Mamwang, is no exception. It's a burst of sunshine in every bite, a true reflection of Thai culinary artistry. Walk down any street in Thailand and you'll be greeted by the tantalizing aroma of Thai mango salad. Vendors with weathered hands expertly wield their pestles and mortars. The rhythmic pounding is like a heartbeat, a soundtrack to the bustling streets. The key to a great Thai mango salad lies in the balance of flavors. It starts with ripe, juicy mangoes. Their sweetness is the foundation. Then comes the heat. Bird's-eye chilies, fiery and intense, add a kick that will wake up your taste buds. But it's not just about the heat. Fish sauce, with its pungent aroma and savory depth, adds a layer of complexity. Lime juice provides a refreshing tang, and a touch of sugar rounds out the flavors, creating a harmonious balance. It's a dance of sweet and spicy, a tango on your tongue. More than just a salad. But Thai mango salad is more than just a dish. It's an experience. It's about the crunch of fresh ingredients. It's about the explosion of flavors that hit you with every bite. It's about the feeling of satisfaction that washes over you after the last morsel is gone. It's a dish that brings people together. Families gather around tables laden with food, sharing stories and laughter. Friends bond over plates of mango salad, the spicy flavors igniting conversations. It's a celebration of life, Thai style. A cultural icon. Thai mango salad is more than just a salad, it's a cultural icon. It's a symbol of Thailand's vibrant culinary heritage, a testament to the country's love for bold flavors and fresh ingredients. It's a dish that has captured the hearts and taste buds of people around the world. From humble street food stalls to Michelin-starred restaurants, Thai mango salad has earned its place on tables across the globe. It's a dish that transcends borders, languages, and cultures. It's a universal language of flavor, a testament to the power of food to connect us all. Setting the stage. All right, folks, the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time for the taste test. Picture this: 2 plates side by side. One, a vibrant tapestry of Cambodian mango salad. The other, a tempting arrangement of its Thai counterpart. Both are calling my name. My stomach is rumbling. Let's do this. First, I take a deep breath. I want to savor every moment. The aromas hit me first. The Cambodian salad, with its tangy lime and savory fish sauce, is calling for my attention. But the Thai salad, with its spicy chilies and sweet mangoes, is putting up a good fight. First up, the Cambodian contender. I pick up a generous portion with my chopsticks. The green mango is firm, offering a satisfying crunch. The flavors, wow, they're like a party in my mouth. Sweet, sour, salty, and spicy, all dancing together in perfect harmony. The toasted peanuts add a delightful crunch and a nutty depth. The fish sauce isn't overpowering, just a subtle hint of umami. And the chilies? They add a pleasant kick, a slow burn that builds with each bite. This is a salad that keeps you coming back for more. Now for the Thai challenger. I take a bite, and bam! The flavors are bolder, more in your face. The sweetness of the ripe mango is the star, but the chilies are a close second. They deliver a fiery punch that clears your sinuses. The fish sauce is more prominent here, adding a savory depth that balances the sweetness. The lime juice provides a refreshing tang, cutting through the richness. It's a flavor combination that's both familiar and exciting, like reuniting with an old friend who has a few new stories to tell. But taste isn't everything, right? Presentation matters too. Both salads are a feast for the eyes. The Cambodian salad, with its vibrant green mangoes and colorful chilies, is like a work of art. It's rustic yet elegant, a testament to the simplicity of Cambodian cuisine. The Thai salad, on the other hand, is a riot of colors. The bright orange of the mangoes, the fiery red of the chilies, and the deep green of the lime wedges create a visual masterpiece. It's bold and beautiful, just like Thai culture itself. We've explored the vibrant worlds of Cambodian and Thai mango salads. We've delved into their ingredients, their preparation, and their cultural significance. We've tasted, we've savored, we've experienced. Now it's time to compare, to analyze the nuances that set these two culinary titans apart. It's like comparing a gentle stream to a roaring river. Both are beautiful, both are sources of life, but their energy is different. The Cambodian mango salad, with its emphasis on green mango, offers a refreshing tartness. The Thai version, with its ripe, juicy mangoes, bursts with sweetness. The flavor profiles are where the differences really shine. Cambodian mango salad is a study in balance. The tartness of the green mango is complemented by the salty fish sauce, the sweetness of palm sugar, and the subtle heat of chilies. Thai mango salad is a symphony of bold flavors. The sweetness of the ripe mango takes center stage, joined by the fiery punch of bird's eye chilies. The fish sauce adds a savory depth. Texture plays a crucial role in the enjoyment of any salad. Cambodian mango salad offers a delightful crunch. Toasted peanuts add a satisfying nuttiness. Thai mango salad offers a softer, melt-in-your-mouth experience. Thinly sliced chilies provide a subtle crunch. Finally, let's talk presentation. Cambodian mango salad is often presented simply with the ingredients mixed together in a bowl. It's a humble presentation that reflects the down-to-earth nature of Cambodian cuisine. The focus is on the flavors and textures, not on elaborate plating. Thai mango salad, on the other hand, is often plated more elaborately. The bright orange mangoes are often arranged artfully, with the chilies and lime wedges adding pops of color. It's a presentation that's as vibrant and exciting as Thai culture itself. It's a feast for the eyes as well as the stomach, a reminder that food is not just sustenance but also a form of art. Beyond their delicious flavors and textures, both Cambodian and Thai mango salads are packed with nutrients. They're like vitamin bursts disguised as culinary delights. These salads are a celebration of fresh, natural ingredients. They're bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's healthy eating that doesn't feel like a chore. Let's start with the mangoes themselves. These golden gems are a good source of vitamins C and A, both powerful antioxidants that help boost your immune system and protect your cells from damage. They're also a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. The health benefits of these salads go beyond just the mangoes. Chilies contain capsaicin, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Lime juice is packed with vitamin C, a natural immune booster. Simple ingredients create a dish that's both delicious and good for you. It's important to note that the health benefits can vary slightly depending on the specific ingredients and preparation methods used. For example, some versions might use more sugar or oil, which could affect the overall nutritional profile. But in general, both Cambodian and Thai mango salads are considered to be healthy and refreshing dishes that can be enjoyed as part of a balanced diet. So, next time you're craving something flavorful and good for you, reach for a plate of Cambodian or Thai mango salad. You'll be treating your taste buds and your body to a symphony of flavors and a boost of nutrition. It's a win-win situation. In a world of processed foods and sugary drinks, it's refreshing to find dishes like Cambodian and Thai mango salads that are both delicious and nutritious. They're a reminder that healthy eating doesn't have to be bland or boring. It can be an adventure for your taste buds, a celebration of fresh ingredients, and a guilt-free pleasure. So go ahead, indulge in these culinary delights. Savor the flavors, appreciate the textures, and enjoy the health benefits. Your body will thank you for it. So, there you have it. We've explored the vibrant worlds of Cambodian and Thai mango salads. We've dissected their flavors, textures, and cultural significance. We've witnessed the magic that happens when fresh, local ingredients are combined with culinary artistry. But the big question remains, which mango salad reigns supreme? The truth is, there's no easy answer. It's like comparing apples and oranges. Both are delicious fruits, but they offer different flavor profiles and experiences. Cambodian mango salad, with its emphasis on green mango, is a symphony of tangy, salty, and subtly sweet notes. It's a refreshing and balanced dish that's perfect for a light lunch or a side dish. Thai mango salad, on the other hand, is a flavor explosion. The sweetness of ripe mango is beautifully contrasted with the heat of chilies, the saltiness of fish sauce, and the tang of lime juice. It's a bold and exciting dish that's perfect for those who like their flavors to pack a punch. Ultimately, the best mango salad for you depends on your personal preference. Are you a fan of tart and refreshing flavors? Cambodian mango salad might be your new go-to. Do you prefer bold, spicy, and in-your-face flavors? Thai mango salad will surely hit the spot. But here's the beautiful thing about food. There's no need to choose just one. You can embrace the beauty of both Cambodian and Thai mango salads. You can savor the refreshing tartness of one and then indulge in the fiery boldness of the other. You can appreciate the unique flavors and textures that each culture brings to the table. After all, food is about more than just sustenance. It's about exploration, discovery, and celebrating the diversity of flavors that our world has to offer. So go forth, my fellow food lovers, and experience the magic of mango salads in all their glory. Whether you find yourself wandering through the bustling streets of Phnom Penh or exploring the vibrant markets of Bangkok, be sure to treat yourself to a plate of mango salad. Let the flavors transport you to the heart of Southeast Asia, a region where culinary traditions are passed down through generations, and where every bite is a celebration of life. And remember, the journey of culinary exploration never truly ends. There are countless other variations of mango salad waiting to be discovered, each with its own unique twist and cultural significance. So keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep your taste buds tantalized by the endless possibilities of Southeast Asian cuisine. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.